I've installed Paystack in multiple WordPress sites. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact setup I use step by step so you can do the same for yourself. If you're selling online using WooCommerce, collecting payment is something that is essential. And if you're struggling or you don't know how to go about it, or maybe you are trying to, figure out how you can leverage on Paystack as a tool to collect payment for your business, this video is the right video for you. I'm going to show you step by step on how you can do this. Maybe you've tried doing it and then, you face some kind of issues. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can, figure out what the issue is and then implement it right. Now, I want to mention two things. This video is for you if you are already using WooCommerce and you are selling on WordPress, right? Now, what you need to do first is to make sure that you have your WordPress set up. Then the second thing is to make sure you have Paystack set up. Now, Paystack, even if at the time of watching this video, you've not had your business approved, you could still leverage on it and do the whole setup until your business is approved, and then you can, go ahead to process payments with it. I'm going to show you how you can do that. When you come over here, there are two essential plugins you need. Basically, you need WooCommerce and then you need Paystack payments plugin. So what you need to do is to come over to plugins. Okay, so under plugins, I already have these plugins installed already. You can see we have WooCommerce here, and then we also have Paystack, WooCommerce, Payment Gateway. Now, if you don't have these plugins already installed on your WordPress, what you need to do is to head over to Add Plugin. You come here, okay. Then here you search for Paystack WooCommerce Payment Gateway. So once you do that, you're going to see this particular plugin. You can see it's currently active because I already have it installed. Now, the next one you want to do is to make sure you have your WooCommerce set up. Okay, for that, you can also see that I already have the WooCommerce plugin right here. You can see it's currently active. So what do you do? There are two ways to go about this. Number one is you can follow the plugin route to get your goal, or you can go to WooCommerce and still achieve the same things. I'm going to show you both of them and you can pick which one you want. So what you do is you head over to where you have plugins. Okay, so when you click on plugins, you come here where you see Paystack WooCommerce Payments Gateway, and then you click on settings. Now the moment you do that, it's going to bring you to this particular screen. So here you can enable Paystack and do anything you want. The other route to achieve this is you come over to WooCommerce and then you click on settings. Okay, once you do that, you can see general, product, shipping, payment, accounts, and privacy. You want to click on payment. All right, once that is done, you are going to see this screen. Okay, you can see accept payments with Woo, PayPal payment, take payment offline, Paystack. So here you do complete setup. All right, now here you see we are back to the same screen as before. So here you have enable or disable. Now the next thing you want to do is head over to Paystack. So this is currently paystack.com, and I already have an account here. If you come here, you can see that this account is live. Now, if you already applied to Paystack and you don't have your account approved, you probably see that this section would be showing you test here. So until you see this particular sign that shows live, you can't process payment. Now what you want to do is to head over to settings, click on settings. It brings you to this screen, and then the next thing you do is you click on where you see API key and webhooks. So for this particular video, I'm just going to show you how to set up your test keys so that before you start processing payment, you can check out and see if this is actually working for you. So coming over to WordPress here, you can see we have enable Paystack. Click on it. Then the next thing you do is enable test mode. Here you select one, then test secret key. So I come here, I copy this. Okay, I come right here, I paste it. Then test public key. I come here, I copy this, come right here, and then I paste it. Okay, here you have autocomplete order. We want to toggle this on. Remove the cancel order and restore cart button on pay for order page. If you want to remove this, you can, or you can also leave it. I usually remove it. I don't know. Then enable split payment. You can do that right here, but I don't think I advise it. Right now, the next thing, safeguard. Enable payment with safeguard. Custom metadata. You toggle this on. Send order ID. These things would help you with payment reconciliation, so that whoever is making payments, this data as well is being sent to your Paystack account, and then you can get access to doing that. Now the way you see this here, you are almost done. Down, the next thing you want to do is to click on save changes. Now we are currently using test mode. What this means is you can you can use your WooCommerce store and test payment, and people are buying your courses, they're buying your products, you are shipping them, and all of those things. You can test everything you are doing until when you're ready to go live. If you're ready to go live, what you need to do next is very simple. So you come right here on Paystack, here where you see live secret key. You want to copy this. You come here, you just remove test mode. You paste your live secret key. You come here, you copy your live public key. You come here and then you paste it. The moment you do this, you would be able to go live and process payment. Now, this process is quite simple. If you follow this and there is still a problem with you making payment and all, then it could also be another issue. Maybe check for plugin conflicts or something totally different. But I hope this video helps you. Let me know in the comment if you have any question. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.